inside for the next 12
today's
hours.
tech tip, I'll be showing you how to manage the payment method in your Netflix account. So the easiest way to do this is on a computer. So go to your PC or Mac, launch your favorite browser, and then go to netflix.com and sign into your account. Now once you do all that, just go to the top right corner, put your mouse over the avatar, and then click on account. That should open your Netflix account page. So here, under the membership and billing section, click on manage payment method. Okay, so click on that and then you'll see your payment method management page. So here you have your payment method and other methods that you can add. Okay, now currently I have this debit card set up as my payment method. If I want to, or maybe if I change or I want to use a different debit card, I can always come here and click on update and change the details of my debit card or credit card. Okay, so here I have the card number, and then I have the expiration date, the CVV, which is the last 3 digits of the security code at the back of your credit card, and then you have the name, first name and last name, and then you have to click on I agree, click on save. Okay, simple as that. Now another option is to add one of the options available. Now, depending on which country you're in or which region of the world you're in, you should have different payment methods available to you. Unfortunately for me, I only have credit or debit card. Some people will have the option for PayPal, where you can link your PayPal account, and then Netflix will be charging you for subscriptions from your PayPal account. Other people have specific mobile plans that they can use to pay for Netflix. So it's up to you to choose which payment method that you want. Now, for instance, if you want to delete a gift card, if you want to delete, now before we go there, let me talk about the gift card and promo codes. Now, you might have received a Netflix gift card or a Netflix promo code for a discount or something. To redeem that, click on redeem gift or promo code. That's going to take you to netflix.com/redeem. Of course, it might add the country to the URL, but it's normally netflix.com/redeem. And then here, enter the code of your gift card or your promo code, and then click on redeem. Okay. Now, that's how you redeem a promo code. Now, like I said, before you can delete the current payment method, Netflix requires you to add another payment method. So if you click here, you can add a new debit or credit card, or you can redeem a gift or promo code before you're able to delete the current debit or credit card. In fact, I have another video on how to delete an existing credit card or debit card from your Netflix account. I'll link that down below so you can check it out. But that's basically how to manage your payment information, or basically your payment method or information in your Netflix account. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.